Library of Calculus students, I've been asked about section 11.1, number 12. And the problem is y equals 688 divided by x to the 1.99 percentage points. And we want to know about spending decreasing at a rate. Why in the world is it 2.7? Alright, let me pull up a picture. Okay, so I wrote down the problem on a piece of paper and took a picture of it. So here's the problem, y equals 688 to the x 1.99, and I moved the x up because it's a lot easier to use the power rule if I can see it. So I just made it negative to move up. And then, as I take the derivative, the constant stays the same, the power moves down, and then x, and then we just subtract 1. Okay, power rule. So it simplifies down to negative 1369.12x raised to the negative 2.99. And the problem said, let's see, yeah, right here, 8% total consumption, which is, my picture's in the way, recreation. So I just put in 8 right there for x. So I can move it up. So if we do that, we get y prime is negative 2.73. And we come back to the problem and try to put in 2.73, and it doesn't work. Why is the answer 2.7? Trick question is this word right here, decreasing. Because they put in the word decreasing, that means we already know the answer's negative. What number is it? It caught me too. I'm like, why am I wrong? Well, don't need the negative. That decreasing take care of it. So, I hope that helps with Chapter 11, Section 1, Number 12.